This is absolutely the worst that we could have imagined.
It's devastating. I mean, the stories that I'm hearing from friends and family on the grounds is just heartbreaking.
A COVID surge in India.
The system is completely overwhelmed.
Like nothing the country or world has seen, leaving 2 Austin doctors with family in that country scrambling to help from afar.
I have another cousin who I spent the last 3 nights desperately making phone calls to vendors all over Delhi trying to find oxygen for her.
Dr. Sethi was able to find oxygen for her cousin, but another cousin passed away less than a week ago. 8 other family members are sick.
You're grieving for one person and then you're hearing about another, or you're getting sick yourself.
No time to grieve and no access to the most basic health care. Dr. Sethi said the supply and demand issue has also led to somewhat of a black market.
Some of the treatments that typically cost about $300 here in the United States, I saw, family members pay about $4,000 to get what's part of our just basic protocol for COVID treatment right now.
As of Friday, India has seen more than 200,000 deaths attributed to COVID-19 and more than 18 million cases. Friday alone set a global daily record.
And that's an underestimate by a lot, I can assure you.
Dr. Kathuria has treated COVID-19 patients in the U.S. and is a global health specialist.
Really just a lot of trying to assess over a phone call or a FaceTime call.
And like Dr. Sethi, doing what she can for her family overseas, giving advice as a medical professional and reassurance as a loved one.
It's been a very difficult, challenging experience to do one thing here and then realize we can't hold those expectations in another country.
Living in the U.S., where things seem to be improving, it can be hard to grasp what's happening thousands of miles away.
People are literally going hospital to hospital to hospital, going clinics to different pharmacies, just begging for medication and oxygen to keep their loved ones alive, and they're dying, some of them on the streets.
But both of these women had the same message for those watching from afar.
It's really upon all of us to consider, how can we help the rest of the world? Can we join efforts to get them the resources they need? Can we donate money? Can we just send prayers?
This is all of us and every country together fighting a war against a virus.
Carissa Lemkel, Fox 7 Austin News.